All right, I've been a little frustrated with my video lighting setup for quite some time, but recently I came up with a simple hack that just makes these lights work better for me. And the lights I'm talking about are these guys right here. I've got two. I've got one over here working for me with my little hack, and then this one. This is how the light originally comes. I'll tell you a little bit about these lights. All right, a couple of years ago, I ordered a set of Impact Octa fluorescent lights. Just to let you know, each kit comes with a 4-socket fluorescent fixture, an Octa box it's 24 inches wide, air cushioned 8-foot stand, and the fluorescent lamp. Now, just to let you know, this video isn't sponsored. Nobody's paying me to talk about this lighting setup. This is just something that I bought for myself, I own, and I found a good solution for using it. Now, this lighting kit is a really good product for the price, but I just feel like it's just too hot and it's too bright and really just too small for the kind of look that I want to get. I mean, it's light being this small, and you know, the distance that you're going to have to use it in order for it to not be too uncomfortable is just so far away that you're just, despite the fact that it's a softbox, you're still going to get that harsh lighting. Now, I've tried different things that have actually helped in some situations. Like, one thing I've done recently is point this light toward a wall to take advantage of bounce, so that the light coming back toward me is effectively larger than just the light by itself if it were pointed straight at me. Now, that's a good solution for when I'm sitting at my desk facing the wall as I shoot a video. But when I'm shooting a wide shot, like a behind the scenes sequence, I sometimes pull the softbox modifiers off completely so that the lights are just exposed. Again, here I'm trying to benefit from light bouncing around off the walls and ceiling to give me just a general coverage, nothing with any finesse. But where I've had the most trouble are the times that I've needed just plain old good one-person lighting straight from the softbox itself. Like when I'm standing in the middle of a room trying to do a basic tutorial presentation, I need something like that. But if I use the light too close to get a little more of that less contrasty look, a little softer coverage, it's just going to be too uncomfortable, just too bright. More than likely, that light's also going to be in the shot, which is not helpful because some of those shots are a little wider. So what would be helpful is just a much larger softbox, but I don't have that right now. Now, I should also mention that one thing I do like about softboxes is how they concentrate all their light toward the front without wasting any light going out the back. So the idea of just removing the softbox entirely and replacing it with an umbrella, whether it's shoot through or otherwise, this isn't something that I'm really excited about. So my solution to this problem, just use both. You keep the benefits of the softbox for focusing the light forward, and you use an umbrella to widen, essentially make larger, the effective face of the light source. All right, so this Impact light fixture features an umbrella shaft holder. So what I did was I pulled off the front panel of the softbox and inserted the umbrella. Just as easy as that. Okay, so using this hack, I've now got a bigger, more spread out pattern of light, which is gonna give me the look of softer light. And I also feel like the heat from the light isn't as concentrated when it's coming at me because it's got a little room to escape out the side. Now, I'm not sure that's the case. I haven't actually measured the temperature difference, but I kind of feel like it is, so I may be wrong about that. But what I do know is that I'm getting a much more pleasing result out of my setup now. Hey guys, I hope you've enjoyed this tip. If you like this video, go ahead and give me that thumbs up. Click that like button. If you haven't already, go ahead and click subscribe. That's about all I got for you today. I'll see you next time.